Ice machines and walk-in coolers freezing up after short power losses can be a frustrating problem. Here's how to troubleshoot and prevent these issues. Firstly, address power fluctuations. Install a voltage regulator to stabilize voltage levels during power fluctuations, preventing sudden drops and surges. Also, use a surge protector to protect against sudden voltage spikes that can damage electrical components. Secondly, consider thermostat settings. Adjust the thermostats more conservatively, setting them to slightly warmer temperatures to reduce the frequency and severity of freeze-ups. Digital thermostats provide more precise temperature control, reducing the chance of overcooling and causing ice buildup. Thirdly, inspect the defrost system. Ensure that the defrost timer and components are functioning properly and that ice buildup is not blocking the heating element. Check the heating element to make sure it's powering on during defrost cycles and that it is heating properly. Fourthly, focus on air circulation. Ensure adequate airflow around the units to prevent cold spots and ice buildup. Clean condenser coils regularly, as dirty coils can restrict airflow and lead to inefficient cooling. Fifthly, inspect for refrigerant leaks. Refrigerant leaks can reduce the cooling capacity and cause ice buildup. Have the system inspected and repaired if a leak is suspected. Sixthly, evaluate the capacities of the units. Ensure that the ice machine and walk-in cooler are appropriately sized for the space they are cooling. Oversized units run less frequently, allowing ice to build up. Seventhly, consider a remote monitoring system. This system can alert you to power outages and other issues that can contribute to freeze-ups, allowing for prompt response. Additionally, consider a generator to provide backup power during outages, preventing the units from freezing up. Use an automatic defrost switch. This switch ensures that the defrost cycle is triggered when ice buildup occurs, preventing excessive freezing. Educate staff on how to adjust the thermostats and monitor the units after power outages.